Today, I'm going to show you how to manage your routers on Advantech's Web Access DMP platform. I will show you how to reboot your router and how to filter your router's information in the tables. Again, my name is Michelle Holtman and I am an application engineer here at Advantech. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to reboot the router from Web Access DMP. After logging into the platform, please navigate to the table on your dashboard. So let's locate the device that we'd like to reboot. For this example, I'm going to want to reboot the ICR 2441. I can scroll down to the end of the row here to the action buttons and use the reboot button here, which is the counterclockwise circle with an arrow. However, to ensure you don't click on the incorrect reboot icon, you can always filter your list of routers to ensure you have the exact router you want to reboot. Since I list the number in the name field, I'm going to go ahead and filter by ICR-2441. As you can see in my case, there is only one ICR-2441 in the table, which makes it very easy to confirm I have found the correct router to reboot. Now we are ready to reboot. And just in case you cannot remember which icon is which over here in the action buttons, you can hover over the icon as it will say what it does. Here it says reboot, so let's go ahead and reboot that router. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that here. As you will see, a box comes up confirming that you do in fact want to reboot the router. So let's go ahead and click yes. After clicking yes, you will see a confirmation that that reboot command was sent to the router. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video here, but please note that connection status says offline. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Now, as you can see, the router has rebooted as it shows online under the connection status. So now, let's go ahead and remove the filter showing the ICR-2441. Soon as I delete that out, I can see the rest of my routers. While I chose the name field, you can filter using any of the columns with a magnifying glass or a drop-down icon. More specifically, I can select the drop-down under connection status and I can filter the table to only show me routers that are online. So I'm going to go ahead and click that drop-down button here and click online. Immediately, my table updates to show you only my connected devices. Lastly, if you want to change the information showing in your table, then just click the red save box in the upper right hand corner to save your new table view. So once I click that, you will see this green success dialog box. And this now will be my new view in Web Access DMP. I hope you have found this video informative. If so, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see upcoming videos, such as how to customize those dashboards. Thank you and make it a great day.